G'day guys, how are ya? Just cruising along today. I did have a little topic in mind that I wanted to bring up, which is just something I've noticed watching more and more of these YouTube videos. As most of the guys that I'm subscribed to, or all of them actually, are in America, and they all do the wave to each other. Like nearly every biker waves to the other bikers, which is fucking awesome. I love that. But just wanted to talk about the Australian version of that, and why, I'll say most, not all, why most Aussie bikers don't wave to each other. And I'll start off by saying it's not because we're rude or we're up ourselves or we think we're fucking awesome or any of that shit. It is for the fact that we ride on the other side of the road. That is number one. So when you guys are doing your deuces and fucking just waving and doing all that stuff down here like you do, if we do that and old mate's on the other side of the road, give him the old little wave down here and he doesn't even fucking see you. So that's number one. Number two, we all use the head nod mostly. Just give them the old turn your head on the side, and that's the Aussie wave. Or we just give them the old up and down. If you're going slow enough or whatever, if you want to take your hand right off, but you look a little bit try-hardish doing that. So yeah, most of the time it's just the old head nod. That does the job for us. But yeah, there you go. There's a little point of difference for you. Another thing I wanted to talk about, or mainly ask a question, why all you blokes in America don't have the little sling over bags. Like nearly everyone, I'll try and get it in the mirror. Well, you've seen it on the front cam before, but just the old sling over bag, like fucking, I'm not going to call it a man bag. Indiana Jones had one, I think he called it a satchel, so we'll run with that. But yeah, nearly, yet again, I won't say all, but most Aussie bikers, fuck, he's got some sand in the back of his ute. Yeah, most Aussie bikers run one of these sling over your shoulder bags. It's handy as, put all your shit in, if you can't justify wearing a backpack fucking everywhere. So girls can get away with a handbag, so why can't we? But yeah, that was another thing I wanted to ask. How come you don't see any of them, you guys in the States? Just wondering, can you not buy them over there, or is it a girly or a gay thing, or legitimate question? I'm not hating on anyone, but I run one personally. I was just curious why no one else does. Nice and warm yesterday weather-wise. We were 38 degrees Celsius, so I think that's probably pushing close to 100 in Fahrenheit. So yeah, that was a nice warm one. Yeah, so that's all I wanted to say, just about the waving and the old man bag thing. But I'll leave that video there. Can you find the time out of your busy days to press that old like button and just keep head button until you've pressed subscribe. Yeah, that'd really help me out, guys. Rightio, I'll catch you later, eh? See ya.